All right, so I got a box of gauge faces out. Today we're going to talk needle placement. This face over here is going to be for like a facelift CLK with a V8. This is pre-facelift. Below it, okay, so this is like an E-Class, non-AMG. And the only difference with AMG is it's CLK style, but you would have a bezel that looks like this. So those are the real only differences you're going to come across. I have diesel gauge faces, but I don't have one in front of me right now. Primary difference being diesel is going to be pre-facelift only. The tack's going to look a little different. And I forget if this side makes reference to diesel. None of that's important for right now. Right now we're just talking about needle placement. So needle placement for the tachometer, needle needs to sit at the bottom hash. When I say bottom hash, what I'm referring to is you've got a hash mark here. Needle needs to align with the bottom portion of it. Same for the speedometer, same for the gas gauge. For temp, it needs to sit at the top edge of the hash mark. What's nice with pre-facelift is you get some guidance. So you get guidance for the tach, you get guidance for the speedometer, for the fuel, and for the temperature. You're going to do exactly what I mentioned for the facelift gauge clusters. Now, when you set up the needle, where it rests initially is likely not going to be the resting point when power is applied to the motor. So what I'm going to do next is load up a cluster, show you exactly what I mean by that.